Hey guys, and happy Sunday. I hope you guys are all having a really fun Labor Day weekend where I'm in the car with the girls right now. Say hi, girls.
Hi.
We are headed up to my aunt's house. We're gonna go escape this dreaded heat that we have down at our house. Even though it's hot up at her house, she has a pool. She's invited us to go swimming, so we're taking her up on that offer. Cole's gonna stay home with Logan. He is gonna geek out tonight. There is this live show for Dungeons and Dragons, so he's a complete nerd and I love him, and he's gonna stay home and watch that. He's gonna keep Logan. Logan doesn't know how to swim yet, and it would just be a lot of work, so they're gonna have guide time together, Cole and our son. So they're gonna have some fun here. Hopefully they can stay cool. It is so hot. It is 10:30 in the morning and 86 degrees out already. We don't have air conditioning. Luckily we have a bunch of fans on, so it's not too bad, but we're gonna head out right now. We're sitting in the driveway. We have about 2 hours ahead of us. That's how long it takes to get to my aunt's house, and hopefully it doesn't take any longer than that, because right now there are fires going on. We live in California, so with this heat, there are fires. So we're going to be passing by one of the huge fires. We're talking 3,000 plus acre fire, and I know there's one in LA going on right now. The one we're going to be passing by is in Beaumont, and so hopefully there won't be too much traffic. I know having the kids in the car for that long can kind of get stir crazy. Luckily we have air conditioning in the car, so it's going to be a pretty smooth drive, crossing fingers for no traffic. So yeah, we're going to bring you guys along with us. We're going to have a pool day at my aunt's. We're going to barbecue and just have a really fun time, and then we're going to tonight we're going to spend the night at my mom's house. She has a room with bunk beds for the kids and stuff. She has air conditioning, so we're taking advantage of that, and then we'll just hang out and head home tomorrow. Yeah, we're all packed up. We're gonna get going and bring you guys along with us and have a fun day at the pool. Are you girls ready to go swimming?
Yeah!
Woo! They're lining up, Kathy.
Come on, girl. Okay, jump up here. Are you ready? I know. That's why I had you back up.
Haley, you want to go down?
There you go. Take a breath.
pool right now.
Wow! You guys gonna do the chicken fight? Will she get in and swim? I think, hey, Kathy, I think you got a little something on your back there.
Okay, see that? See that?
You're sitting up. Ready?
Grab her. I said put her in the pool. I'm talking about the dog. I'm not gonna chase her. You ready? Okay, so I'm gonna put my hands right here and I'm gonna go under the water and give you a shot. I wanna try and touch it on there, but I wanna give it a shot.
Oh my god.
You okay, Kate? Lily?
How do you do, little chicken?
Right?
Okay, stand
Up.
up.
So you get a breath in. Okay, let go.
Okay, Aunt Kathy needs that hair.
Good, push up.
Yeah, you're so ready to fly. So we're taking a little break from swimming, and now we're sitting down and we're eating some food. What is that? Ketchup and Doritos. We got ketchup, or we got hot dogs, Doritos, and watermelon. Kaylee's over here playing with the chalk.
And chips.
So we're just chilling out.
And chips too.
We made it to our aunt's house, obviously, and my uncle grilled some hot dogs, and we're just gonna eat, take a break, and continue swimming the rest of the day. update. We are at my mom's house now. We had an amazing day at my aunt's house. Thank you, Kathy, for inviting us up for the day. The kids swam for hours. They did such a good job. And we even got a surprise thunderstorm in there, and they went dancing in the rain. They swam in the rain. We had food. It was such a relaxing, easygoing day. We had so much fun. We made it back to my mom's house. We had some pizza, and now the kids are all bathed. I took a shower. We were all covered in sunscreen, chlorine, all of that. So we're all cleaned up. We're ready to relax. The kids are just enjoying themselves here on the couch. They're watching some cartoons. And I'm going to go ahead and end the video for today. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you liked it, give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. And yeah, you guys want to say goodnight? Say goodbye? Say bye. Did you guys have fun? Good day? Okay, you guys. So we'll see you in the next video. And good night. Bye.